Cleaning your espresso machine is vital to keeping it in the best working order and ensuring each and every coffee tastes great.
The drip tray should be removed, emptied, and cleaned periodically with warm water, particularly when the empty me indicator shows. You should expect to see a considerable amount of water and espresso residue that has been collected over time. Empty the drip tray before cleaning with warm, soapy water, ensuring you remove all residue. The storage tray can also be removed and cleaned with a soft, damp cloth, not abrasive cleaners, pads, or cloths which may scratch the surface. Rinse and dry thoroughly before inserting back into the machine.